guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're gonna do the hairstyle of Trixie from Timmy Turner. So stay tuned and find out how I do this. Okay, the first step is we're gonna section our hair because we're gonna use a rotate brush of Babyliss because this will give us lots of volume, and underneath we can make a curl with this brush because Trixie also has that. And this brush is very easy to use. As you can see, you only have to hold it and it rotates automatically your hair. So yeah, you won't get pain in your arms. And this is how the curl looks like. See? Very beautiful and easy to do. As you can see, I'm rotating my hair first from down underneath, and then when I'm almost finished, I rotate the brush on the outside. This will give it underneath a beautiful curl. So yeah, do that and you'll get beautiful results. Continue doing this with all of your hair. So the same technique on all parts of your hair. And by the way, if you guys know any Timmy Turner fans, tag them in this video, and because I'm very curious what they think of this hairstyle, so tag them so I can see their reaction. And by the way, you can also do this hairstyle with a flat iron, but if you use a flat iron, that won't give you as much as volume with this brush. So that's why I chose to do this hairstyle with this rotate brush, because Trixie also has a lot of volume on top of her head. It's not like very flat on her head. So this is a very easy and smart thing to do if you want a lot of volume. And we finished our hair. So, and this is how it should look like. And then we're gonna brush our hair to the back. And after we brushed our hair, we're gonna use a band, a top band, I don't know how you call it, yeah, a band like this. And we're gonna use this hairband because Trixie always has a hairband in her hair and it really looks good on her. So yeah, make sure to put your hair also in the right place. Oh yeah, and we also gonna use a fake pony because I didn't want to cut my hair. And you can also buy a fake pony. So this is how it looked like, because Trixie always has a pony with a hairband and her hair like this. And this is the end result. So let me in the comment sections below know what you think about this hairstyle, because I'm very curious, yeah, what your thoughts are about this hairstyle. And by the way, I'm gonna take a lot of pictures now for Instagram. So if you are wondering how the pictures are looking like, please follow me there. As you can see on top, my Instagram account name, so click on that so you see all the pictures. Okay guys, thanks for watching, because this is the end of my video. I hope you enjoyed watching this hairstyle. If you enjoyed it, please like and subscribe, and if you subscribe you won't miss any of my videos. Guys, thanks for watching. I'm gonna find my Timmy now, so bye bye.